Namaste and welcome to the 6th episode of Exploring Indian Classical Ragas. In today's episode, I'm going to explore a very beautiful night raga, Rag Jai Jaivanti. This raga is very complex and very serene all at once. In the Carnatic tradition, Rag Jai Jaivanti is also known as Rag Dvijavanti. Rag Jai Jaivanti also appears in the latter sections of the Guru Granth Sahib in the Gurban, and compositions in Raga Jai Jaivanti express the soul's liberation and merging with the divine in the Guru Granth Sahib. Many artists also use Rag Jai Jaivanti in performing stuti or prayers to Goddess Durga. This is because this rag conveys emotions of fierce valor and victory along with a sense of devotion and calm all at once. Today, I will present a short composition in a 16-beat cycle composed and taught to me by my guru Pandit Nayan Ghosh ji. Thank you for listening. Namaste.